What is up, Learning Machine? So in this video today, we're going to talk about email marketing, how you guys can crush it. I'm going to take a little bit of time out of my day today to talk about how I'm crushing it with email marketing, what I'm doing with email marketing, and how you can crush it as well. So let's dive right into the video. Now to just kickstart the video off, I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step of what to do to crush it with email marketing. This is what I do. This is what I recommend for any beginner to do. So first step is acquire leads. So buy leads from me or a business or a company or other marketers. Okay, so just buy a bunch of leads. Or you could do paid marketing to acquire leads and do opt-in funnels. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is you're going to want to basically have an email autoresponder to market to these leads. Now, I have a whole giant list I put together for you guys, and I'll have that inside of the different places where you buy leads from me. It's over on my Gumroad page or link in the description. Go check it out. But basically, you're going to want to have an email autoresponder. And the ones that I use is ClickFunnels, Actionetics, plus SendGrid. That's one of the biggest ones I use. They let you have unlimited leads. You can send a lot of leads. Then you just have to pay for the SMTP server. That's called SendGrid. Now, ClickFunnels 2.0 is also a thing you can consider. It is a little bit more like advanced and more complicated, and so it's hard to do for most people, but you can totally do that. You could do, I have a whole list here, but anyway, these are the ones I use. I use Aweber, but I don't recommend for a beginner to use Aweber, especially if you import leads. They are a little bit more strict regarding that, so I wouldn't do the route of Aweber. A lot of people ask me about that. Also, any of these big autoresponders like GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, don't do any of those ones for this. You want to use ClickFunnels and SendGrid. They're less strict. Also, if you do any adult marketing and adult email sending, make sure to not like direct link to any offers of those offers. Try to have a landing page in between. Even for sweepstake marketing, try to have a landing page in between. This is how you crush it with email marketing, okay? Because sometimes they don't allow email traffic, but if you just have a lander in between, you have highly likelihood to not get caught, which if you're making money from, it doesn't even matter anyway. They really don't care as long as you're making them money. But it has to be ethical, and these leads have to be collected if you're doing like CPA offers where you are collecting leads for offers and offer owners. It has to be quality traffic, so that does matter. And it's only bad quality traffic if you're like incentivizing them to fill in offers and stuff. Otherwise, they don't care. Okay, so it's all good. Sometimes they'll ask to see your landing page that you used, but usually you can get away with it just by having a different landing page to show or something, okay? This is advanced concepts, advanced tactics, actually, not concepts. Oh, there is one other autoresponder that I use. The other autoresponder that I use is called Mail Click Convert. Now, it is a little bit more complicated than most of those out there. It's one I recently started using, and it is somewhat more costly, but it has some cool features that are unique. So it does email warm up for you built in. It lets you buy very easily multiple domain names that they warm up from you to send from domain names, okay? And so it's really powerful regarding that. And another thing is regarding it is you can have unlimited leads, just like how you can import unlimited leads over on ClickFunnels, okay? Actionetics. They are just really quality, but the cost is a little bit more high, but I think their quality is really great. The Mail Click Convert, along with ClickFunnels and SendGrid. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to give you guys an open-ended thought here, okay? Which is, if you really want to crush it with adult marketing, you should be always looking for more opportunities, okay, of autoresponders and tools to use that can give you an advantage, okay? If you can find a software that is able to send tons of emails in bulk for virtually free or extremely cheap, and you get inboxed, then that's good. Now, the goal here obviously is to get inboxed. If you're not getting inboxed sending your emails, that's a big issue. You want to be able to get inboxed because this is where the money is made, okay? It's a very important thing to understand. Okay, so step one was you collect leads or get leads in any way you can. And by the way, I have tons of leads for you guys. It's a link in the description. I give tons of my lists for extremely cheap. I shouldn't be charging this much, and I'll be like getting rid of them eventually, okay? These leads, because I'm like giving these leads basically away for virtually like free based off the price, okay? I should be charging like hundreds of thousands of dollars for most of the lists I'm giving away right here, okay? So go check that out. And then that's step one. And then step two is you pick one of those autoresponders I gave you. to pick between, which is really just, there's a whole list here. I'll just give it to you. But the ClickFunnels plus SendGrid and then ClickMail Convert is also another good one I recommend. There's a lot of them out there. But another one is called SendPulse, and then Amazon SES, and then MailLite, and then MailGun, Elastic Mail, MooSend, MailShake, MailerSend, Campaigner, SendBlaster, and MassMail. Now, most of those I haven't used, but that is in order in a list of what I do recommend for bulk email marketing, okay? Now, the extra costs, there are extra costs in email marketing, but not as high as other business opportunities out there. Trust me, like, it's true. And also doing paid advertising is very hard for most people to do because it can be somewhat extremely expensive for most people for a lot of reasons. Mainly because ad costs are rising, and mainly because people don't know how to get a return on advertising for their advertising, return on investment. And so it's very hard for most people to do. And the only way to really, really crush it with this nowadays with marketing overall is like you gotta have an email list. And so that's why I'm also offering this to all of you and talking about this to all of you nowadays, because I mean, all the money I've ever made, it really comes back to having an email list. Emails, emails, emails. This is where the money is. You send emails and make bank every single day. I send emails to a bunch of lists I've got, and I just promote a ton of different offers, okay? On CPA networks and affiliate networks, and I even craft my own offers. I sell ebooks, I sell content, I'll sell anything. I'll promote anything to people, okay? And you'll make a money because you're promoting just so many people. You're guaranteed to make money back. And that's like so powerful because it's like you're printing money whenever you want. But anyway, so those are the first two steps. Now the third step for sure is find great offers to promote. And like I said, I find offers everywhere. I even make my own offers, okay? And so you could do the same. And how you do this is you could even go to like search engines for affiliate marketing, which is called Offer Vault, is one of the biggest ones. You can like find a bunch of offers to promote and get started. But you know, just have offers. It's not like you need a ton of offers. You can crush it making money with like 10 offers, less than that. Like you don't need that many offers to really crush it. One offer can make you $1 billion, okay? Like it's just about having enough people, and it's a great desirable offer, and people actually take action on that offer and buy. But anyway, that's unrealistic, and so we make $1 billion as a beginner, but like, trust me, it's very possible to make millions of dollars, okay, promoting offers with email marketing. It's not even hard to do, okay? So that was the third step, find offers to promote. And then the fourth step is maintain your list. And for sure, like don't end up in spam. Like actually like give value to your list consistently and get inboxed and warm up your send from domains and clean your list, okay? Because these things matter. Validate your list. This is how you get inboxed. This is how you continue to make money and make sure you're sending to people who actually want to have the emails continuously sent to them. If people unsubscribe, that happens all the time to me. That happens all the time in every single business on earth. People unsubscribe. And so it really doesn't matter. All you want is to like filter your list down. So you start sending emails to your people, and then people unsubscribe or whatever. And then you're left with who's left. These are the people who will be worth tons of money to you because they actually want your emails from you, okay? Because they're not unsubscribing and they're opening your emails and everything. And so these are like, these people are worth their weight in gold because you can market to them and they're open to it at any point in time. It's very powerful. And so when you have an email list, especially when you buy a list from me, all you guys are going to be doing, you guys are all going to be marketing differently to these lists. All of you are. And so, everyone has their own methods for marketing, but what I'm telling you guys is just pick offers, keep it simple, give content relevant to the niche of what you want to start marketing to. But a lot of my lists that don't really say like the niche that it's targeted to, usually they're more geared towards like sweepstakes and stuff like that. So you can promote sweepstakes and have a lot of success with that. Sweepstakes will always work with almost any demographic due to the fact that everyone wants free stuff. Like everyone wants just free stuff, free gift cards, free all this stuff. And so that's very, very effective. for sure, just to promote sweepstakes, but promote any opt-in offer there is, like lead generation offers for sure is very effective, but also weight loss. So any weight loss offer out there works, any make money offer out there works, and any relationships type offers and dating offers work. Okay, so everything works in those top niches, but sometimes different niches work better than others. That's why it's good to test different niches. Okay, so hopefully this all is making sense, but this video should clear the air on how you can crush it with email marketing, especially regarding the fact that you now can skip a million steps and just have the emails and import the leads. And on all these different autoresponders and all these different platforms, it's very, very easy, like extremely easy to import leads, okay? And send emails. I don't know of a more easier way of like making a ton of money without much experience. Like all you need to do is buy leads, import leads, send emails, make money, and pick offers and repeat, okay? That's it. It's really not that hard to do. Like there's really nothing else to it. There are steps you can do that could be considered advanced regarding different settings and stuff you can do to like increase the delivery rate by like 1 to 5%, by a little bit, but it's not like insane. And so those extra steps are whatever. But what really matters, what really moves the needle and what makes you racks 100% is just like sending emails and promoting offers and keeping your email copy simple. Your email copy, what I do, it's especially the pitching emails where I'm pitching different offers. I base my email off of the offer of which I'm promoting and the text that they give me and the imagery they give me and the media I find and the media they give me. The titles they have, the headlines that they have. And I just put that very simply in an email. It's not even up to a paragraph. It's less than like a paragraph. It's less than 2 sentences usually. And then a link to an offer. And that's how I do it. But if you really want to see other people and how their businesses market, it's very simple. It's already given to you. So go inside of your email inbox and see what got inboxed for you. And you can see a million examples that got inboxed, okay? That you can like get inspiration from and see what works. But at the end of the day, as long as you're sending emails and promoting offers, you're going to crush it. But I think, not just think, but I know that here's what you have to do is in between, like almost every email you send, try to like give content, try to give value, but give content that is entertaining or educating or both. You can also find viral content in the niche of what you choose that's interesting, okay? And so that's really effective as well. But when you first start emailing your list, for at least a week or two, okay, 1 to 2 weeks, just give a lot of value, a ton of value, daily. Don't do it like twice a day. Just send an email once a day, just giving value. Don't link to anything, and it can build a relationship with your list. Now, if you want to go the route of a personal brand with your list, where you're the personal brand, you can make content yourself and email people to go watch videos of you giving value, okay? And a certain percentage of people will build a relationship with you, and a face behind a business name or a brand or anything is way more effective than just a business name or a brand name, okay? So understanding this is very powerful. So anyway, that's what I'm going to leave you guys with. If you guys want to go, I'll just do a little pitch here, I guess, and just explain everything I'm offering for you guys here. But the links are in the description. And you can get 1 billion emails, okay? It's more than 1 billion emails. It's worldwide, okay? Businesses and consumers and everything, okay? I spent a lot of money, okay? Like hundreds of thousands of dollars on all these leads. It's a lot of leads, okay? So you can take advantage of this opportunity. It's only $9.97, which is like nothing. I've already had a lot of people take advantage of this. And the thing is, like, it'll never matter, the competition, because that's a billions and billions of people, okay? So from that, you can like segment your list and decide what you want to, what list you want to promote to out of all those lists, because there's just so much there. And then if you want to promote to USA traffic, I think it's one of the best ways to do it, but there's a lot of opportunity worldwide, and that's why it's so powerful to do that route of the billions and billions of emails. But if you go the route of USA, all the other lists I'm selling are USA based. And so you can get 150 million USA targeted leads. I got these leads from buying them from huge databases, but also from promoting YouTube ads and in-stream ads, collecting leads in more geared towards sweepstake marketing. Okay, so there's a ton there. 150 million is more than enough emails. Okay, and then I have 10 million emails of sweepstakes and 10 million emails of adult marketing lists. Okay, the adult marketing list is from some databases, but also from paid marketing efforts. Okay, collecting a bunch of leads, doing paid marketing with adult marketing over the last few months. Same with the sweepstake leads. And the sweepstake leads, some of it is from my Cash Cow YouTube channel as well. Like a few million of it is like from that, like 2 million. And so it's like crazy. And you guys can take advantage of this, of both those niches, whichever niche grabs your attention, or just take advantage of both. Because like I said, I'm taking down these lists. I'm not going to offer these lists anymore to y'all. Eventually, lately I'm just considering to press the button and just like close all the opportunity away, just like shut it down. But currently it's going to be up and available for at least a week, and then I may like for sure close it down, but we'll see. I don't know. And then other things I'm offering, which are the tiniest of the tiny opportunity for y'all, is the 100,000 leads and then the 1 million leads. Okay, you want to take advantage of the big email list. This is where the big money is for you. Okay, so take advantage of it, then get your autoresponder, then pick offers, and then just get inbox and be consistent and keep promoting offers. This is how you crush it with email marketing. It's very simple. There's not many business opportunities out there that's this simple, this low cost, this scalable, and that can essentially like print you money ethically on demand whenever you want, just by sending out emails once a day. I mean, it's that freaking powerful and crazy. So take advantage of this opportunity. Peace out, Learn Machines. Thank you for watching. Peace.